Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about some more basic points, that is how to convert an expression into words and a word into an expression, and when expression has given and the variable value has given, how to find out the expression value. These are the points I am going to discuss here. Coming to the topic, convert words into expressions. Example. First example is x equal to y plus 3. X equal to y plus 3. Once check here, x equal to y plus 3. How many letters are here and how many symbols are here? Once check. X is one symbol, alphabet. Y is alphabet. 3 is constant, 3 values. And the symbols equal to and plus. Total 5 entities are here. We are representing these each and every category into words. How we are representing? When you are converting an expression or equation into words, first you should find out that equal to left side equal to right side. This is equal to left side is LHS and this is RHS. Left side LHS is only X value and RHS Y plus 3 values are there. That is two sides LHS equal to RHS. When you are converting an expression into words, the LHS should be expressed in first. Please, here X is plus, you are using, when plus is there you are using one word and minus is there you should use another word. Once check, the answer is X is LHS we are representing first. 3, we are representing 3 here, and plus. What is plus? Greater. Plus always mention the word as greater than. What is the letter here? Y. This is the conversion of an expression into word. Once look at here again. X is 3 greater than Y. 3 greater than Y. X is 3 greater than Y. These are the words of the expression. Or we can say like this. X is 3 more than Y. X is 3 more than Y. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే X Y కన్నా 3 నెంబర్స్ పెద్దది. X Y కన్నా 3 నెంబర్స్ పెద్దది. అంటే ఇక్కడ పెద్ద వాల్యూ ఏది? X. చిన్న వాల్యూ Y. ఇలా మనం చెప్పచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Y equal to X minus 3. Y equal to X minus 3. LHS is Y, RHS is X minus 3. When plus is there, you should use this word greater than or more than. When minus is there, you should use the word. Once look at here, LHS should represent first. That is, Y is what we are discussing about Y. the value y is 3 smaller than x. Minus, when minus is there, you should mention the word smaller or less. These two words you may use. In other words, we can say that y is 3 less than x. This is the representation of an expression into words. And now I taken some words and I converted that words into expressions. Once repeat here. X is what we are saying about, what we are discussing about. X is 37 greater than y. 37 greater than y. Then its equation form is x is nothing but x equal to 37 greater nothing but plus 37 greater is plus 37. Which number is, which alphabet? Y. So equation form is x equal to y plus 37. Next one, x is 37 smaller than y. Smaller than y. Then equation form is x is 37 smaller, that is x equal to 37 smaller. Smaller is nothing but you should take the minus sign. 37 smaller, that is by minus 37. Then y, you should represent y here. So this is the word to equation conversion. Very, very important. Majority of the students are confusing to do the word problems in the algebra. That is equations and inequations, quadratic expressions, linear equations. These are the chapters you are having in your school standards. Majority of the students are confusing on this area because of they lack these skills. Kindly understand the concept. When plus is there, you should use the greater than. Minus is there, you should use the smaller than or less than. It is very easy. Next, coming to the next topic, that is next example. Some more examples I taken here under the multiplication. X equal to 3y. X equal to 3y. What is x equal to 3y? In previous case we taken plus and minus. Here I taken 3y. 3y is nothing but 3 into y equal to, this is LHS and this is RHS. LHS equal to RHS. That is, we can say that x is, we are studying about the x only because of that is LHS. X is 3 times of y. 3 times of y. X is 3 times. X is 3 into y, we can say that. When multiplication is there, times you should mention. 3 times of y. Times of, you should use the word. 3 times of y. In another case, another example, y equal to 12x. Y is 12 times of x. 12 times of x. That is the expression into word. Next case, word into expression. How can we write the expression or equation? X is, we are discussing about x only. That is x equal to 10 times of y. That is 10y. X equal to 10y. Obviously easy. Next one, y is 15 times of x. That is, we are discussing about y. Y equal to 15 times of x in the sense 15x. That is y equal to 15x. Next one, x equal to, some more examples I take it here. X equal to 3y plus 4. Here multiplication and addition combinedly I have taken. X equal to 3y plus 4. In words, how can we represent? Look at here. We are discussing about x, that is x is, how much greater it is? 4 more than, 4 greater than, 4 greater than 3 times of y. Both addition and multiplication is there. So in that case, we should use this one. X is 4 more than 3 times of y. This is the sentence formulation. And next one, y equal to 7x minus 8. Y equal to 7x minus 8. LHS is y only. Then y equal to 7x minus 8 in the sense y is how much it is? 8. So what is the word we are going to do? Minus symbol, then less than. 8 less than 7 times of x. 7 times of x. Here in this case minus, and here we taken plus. More than and less than. In both cases multiplication we used that times of 3 times of 7 times of. Some more words are also there. We are using double or twice, thrice. Double in the sense 2 times. Twice also same 2 times. Thrice in the sense 3 times. These are the regular words we are using while we are doing the problems. And next, some more example problems are there, that is related to the when variable value has given, how can you find out the expression or equation value? Look at here once. Find the value of x minus 7 when x equal to 2. What is the expression here? X minus 7. X minus 7 is the expression. What value has given? X equal to 2. Here in this expression, what is the variable? X is the variable. 7 is the constant. Variable value has given, that is x equal to 2. In this case, whatever the value is there, what is the value? Whatever the value has given, that value you should substitute in the place of x value. X. Then simplify it, then you can find out the value of the expression. Solution. Given expression equal to x minus 7. Substitute x equal to 2 in the given expression. That is x minus 7. In place of x, I am substituting 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 in the sense already before video also we discussed about that. When two numbers are having opposite signs, then you should subtract it. That means 7 minus 2 is 5. The resultant should get the sign of the bigger number. What is the big number here? 2 and 7. What is the big number? 7 is the big number. What is the sign of it? Minus. So answer is minus 5. Okay. And next one. Find the value of 3x minus 5y when x equal to 7 and y equal to 5. Here in this case I taken two variables. 3x minus 5y. X and y both are variables here. Solution. No need to worry about that. Whatever the values has given, whatever the expression is there, substitute that given values in the expression. Automatically you can get the value. Here given expression is 3x minus 5y. Substitute x equal to 7 and y equal to 5 in the given expression. 3x minus 5y. 3 into x is 7 substituted. I think last time when we are doing the addition or subtraction, whatever the expression that taken, we should use the brackets. Definitely should use here. In all the cases, whenever you are substituting the value, definitely you should use that brackets. Because when minus sign is there, bracket in the sense, definitely you should do the multiplication of the signs. That's very, very important. That is why I kept brackets here. 3 into 7 minus 5 into y is 5. After simplification, that is 3 into 7 equal to 21 and 5 into 5 equal to 25. Same two numbers are having opposite sign, then you should subtract it. That is 5 minus 21 is 4. 21 and 25 is the big number, so you should take the 25 sign. That is minus 4 is the answer. This is another. Listen to that models and do the practice the examples here, what I given here. Find the value of 2x plus 7 when x equal to 1. Find the value of x minus 7 when x equal to 7. Find the value of 2x minus 5y when x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. Find the value of 7y minus 7z when y equal to 1 and y equal to z equal to minus 1. After listening to the video and after completion of these practice examples, you should take your own examples, you should create your own examples and do 10 problems. Listen students, when you have the ability to create a problem, automatically you can simplify any problem. Create a problem and simplify it, then you can get much skill to how to do the problems. Thank you students. Thank you very much.